When every connection counts, you need a reliable, heavy-duty connector in many various narrow space, harsh environmental industrial markets. Typical application automation, power and energy, robotics, and machinery. TE introduces the newest upgrade, HDC with TICLOQ technology. The HDC with TICLOQ technology features a self-locking system fitted with metal enclosures, IP65 water protection, and compatibility with the standard HDC portfolio. How does the new TE HDC with TICLOQ technology compare to the original HDC locking system? The original system requires a 10-second cycle time with a 2-step installation process and manual locking, which can be challenging in narrow spaces. The new TICLOQ system reduces the cycle time to just 2 seconds by connecting with a single step and an automatic locking feature that eases access in narrow spaces. Choose from a variety of H3A inserts from 2 pins to 32 pins in a single module, allowing for both power and signal transfer, with current available from 2.2 amps to 40 amps. Upgrade your heavy-duty connectors with TICLOQ technology. Learn more at te.com/HDC.